Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tristana in Wild Rift. Tristana is a marksman who truly shines in the later stages of a match, thanks to her passive ability, Draw a Bead, which increases her attack range as she gains levels. During the early game, your main goal is to farm minions safely, securing as much gold and experience as possible. Use your explosive charge to help clear minion waves and occasionally poke enemies from a safe distance. Remember, rocket jump is your primary escape tool, so use it wisely. Let's dive into Tristana's core abilities and how to combine them effectively. Rapid Fire, your first ability, gives you a massive attack speed boost for 7 seconds. Explosive Charge, your third ability, places a bomb on a target that stacks damage up to 4 times with your attacks. Rocket Jump, your second ability, lets you leap to a location, dealing damage and slowing enemies. Crucially, it resets on takedowns or fully stacked explosive charge detonations. Your ultimate, Buster Shot, fires a powerful cannonball, knocking back an enemy. For Tristana's item build, focus on attack damage, attack speed, and critical strike chance. A strong starting item is Blade of the Ruined King, providing excellent damage and lifesteal. Follow this with Stormrazor for burst damage and a slow, then Infinity Edge to maximize your critical strike power. Navori Quick Blades is an excellent choice for reducing your ability cooldowns with critical hits. For runes, Lethal Tempo is a top pick, granting substantial bonus attack speed and range as you attack, making you a formidable force. In the late game, Tristana transforms into a true hyper carry. Her passive grants her immense attack range, allowing you to deal damage from a safe distance. Always stay grouped with your team, positioning yourself behind your front line to avoid being caught out. Master using Rocket Jump resets to either aggressively chase down low-health enemies or quickly reposition to safety. Your enhanced damage and explosive charge also make you incredibly effective at taking down objectives like turrets and inhibitors rapidly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.